people, hello everyone. Ayan, welcome again to the Ove Fest in Wiesbaden. So,
In Germany.
Yes, in Germany, of course.
Welcome!
Ayan, kasama pala ang nag-iisang bubay. Ay, bubay! Si Eden.
Sana all. Tapos ito na naganda.
And meron kayong bagong guest. We have a new guest is Madam Duday.
At saka si
And
Madam.
Madam Duray. And we are here also, our guest is Daniel Padilla. So guys, we are here because
Ito pa.
and my one of Bong Revilla Jr.
Wow! Kalbo lang.
Nakalbo lang siya sa problema.
Si Richard Pumuti.
And I'm the Richard Goma.
Sasabihin mo.
So, ayan guys, thank you so much for your support in our vlog, especially with my friends, Aiden.
Yes.
Ayan, Aiden's long time no see. Madam
Duday.
Duday, where's my ice? Plastic cube.
Hindi mo sinabi na nandito ka.
Ay,
Yes.
oo nga pala. Yung ice cream natin.
Sa bahay ka.
Ako nagbablog ako, may mga plastic. May guest pa tayo.
So guys, I have new guest again. Sarah Hironingo.
Ay, nakita na natin.
Kamusta, Ben?
Ano?
Ayan guys, so today at Overfest, Movie Fest, sorry. I have a lot of guests right now and some of the other people I don't know yet, but they don't know me now. So actually guys, if you see everything here, a lot of people, because all of them is 80% is all Filipino here in Frankfurt, Germany, and the rest is 20% of other country. Is it correct?
Kaya pa kayo.
So ayun guys, mga kasama ko nagmamarites. So
Yan, mga
that is,
marites,
yeah, that is the one of our
Dito,
culture.
left and right.
Yes. Ay, of course, Judy and Santos.
Hello! Like and
Judy and
subscribe.
Santos.
Come on, share.
So welcome dito and so may narinig akong pulisay. Meaning pulisay means huy, ano ibig sabihin ng pulisay?
Saan yung pulisay? Ang pulisay ay pulis sa atin.
Yan, abangan nyo pala, may show pala ako mamaya. Magsishow ako mamaya.
Talaga?
In the-
Anong oras?
So
What time?
later. In the evening. So we will
Okay.
see us. Ayan.
Sana all.
And we will see how good I am.
Okay, ano lang guys, paki-follow at saka
Yes,
subscribe.
Glenn Mike Show. It's my blog. And
Sana all, meron pa dito.
yes, Germany.
Tatlong
Yes,
flag.
actually they have a three flag, meaning is Germany, so where I live right now. And this is the Switzerland or Denmark. This is one also of my team, for my volleyball team. And also Philippines.
Nagmamarites. Nagmamarites daw.
So, guys, how's your day? Good. Chari. So, meron tayong guest for today. So, I need to interview because long time that I never saw him. Saw her?
Ay, nagpaano ako, nagparitoke.
Nagpalitoke pala siya. So, ngayon her na siya. Ayan. So, kailangan natin si interviewin.
Oo, sige.
So, what are you doing right now?
Wala, nagugutom.
So,
Sabi mo,
do you have any business or how
Oh,
about
yeah.
your job here in Germany? Monkey business. Like me, monkey.
Lade!
So, ayun guys. Short vlog. Yan.
Dumating na sila, yung mga marites. Ayan.
Hi guys, so you don't know guys, here in Germany, a lot of marites.
Oo.
Yeah, marites 1, marites 2, marites 3, 4, and 5. So,
And more.
and more marites there.
Marites.
Yeah. And later guys, you will see us because I need to be relaxed because show must go on. So see you again to our next vlog. Bye!
Bye-bye.